Hello, my wonderful class, to Wednesday's social studies. We are going to read the main article. So that's the one right up front of your week 18 Studies Weekly. Okay, it says, we depend on each other. Last week we learned about the different kinds of resources: natural, human, capital, and entrepreneurship. This week, we will talk about how people use those resources to get things to consumers. Who are consumers? You are, along with everyone else who spends money. We'll also learn about where the things we buy come from. Somebody has to make or grow them. That would be the producer. A producer is the person or company that makes items people buy to use. Did you know that every day you eat things that come not only from other states, but also from other countries, often on different continents? Let's take a look at the banana you ate for breakfast. Did you know that bananas are the most popular fruit in the world? That means that people all over the world go bananas for bananas. This yummy fruit comes from a number of countries like Ecuador, China, Brazil, and India. If bananas are the number one fruit around the world, that means lots of other countries are buying them too. So, how do those bananas get to all those people who eat them? How about other popular foods that grow in the United States, like corn and wheat? People all over the world need these things to make bread, cereal, and lots of other products we eat. So, how does something we grow here in the United States end up on a kid's table in London, England? And don't forget about all the other great food we grow in our country, like oranges, peaches, and cranberries. These products can end up anywhere in the world. So, how does that happen? It takes a lot of people working together to get people around the world the things they want and need. And lots of people get benefits from depending on each other. Benefits are the good things that happen because of something you do. Who benefits when you buy a banana? What about the clerk in the market? He benefits because selling things helps him keep his job. The people who own the store and drive the trucks that take the bananas to the store also benefit. In the country the banana came from, the people who grow the bananas, pick the fruit, and work on the ships that bring the bananas to the United States benefit too, all because you bought one little banana. Do you see how it's all connected? You bought the banana, which the clerk sold you, which was provided by the store, the person that owns the store, who bought that from the company that sold the banana. So the company that sold the banana has to have somebody to pick those bananas. So it all works together. Okay? All right. So no, go ahead and go to your continued learning, the questions that we have, and answer the following questions by looking back in the article to answer. What is a producer? What is a consumer? What is an economy? Okay. Remember the project that we had in social studies where you all produced something and sold it to the kindergarten? That's a clue. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.